stuff from Amazon and it just came. I got a new camera case and it came with a glass protector and a cleaner, and I also just got this memory card holder because I have so many memory cards and I'm gonna have to order another one because I have another one that won't fit. And yeah, I just wanted to test out my new memory card. I just got this one. Of course it's not in there because it's what I'm using to get this footage. But I ordered all of this off Amazon, and you can find everything on my Amazon storefront. And I'm about to edit a video right now, y'all. And I'm about to put on this case. I just got these from Target the other day. They are so cute. These were $24 and they are super cute. I just got these slides from Walmart. So I got these because I just wanted some shoes to throw on to work in. These were $14. Just wanted something simple, comfortable to throw on sometimes to work in, do makeup in, and something that won't get too dirty. So y'all, I'm about to go do a client. I just wanted to show y'all my new case. Yeah. More vlogs coming soon. Make sure y'all subscribe, and I'm gonna link this case in my Amazon storefront. It's already on there, so I'm gonna leave the Amazon storefront link below. So y'all, my SHEIN stuff just came from my trip, from my cruise. So I'm gonna show y'all everything I got. Can't wait till y'all see. So y'all, these are all my looks for the trip. When I pack, I'm gonna show y'all how everything looks. So I'm gonna show y'all what I got today. I went to Salon Mall. I found these inside an Encore. Golf ball slide. Those are cute. And I also got these at a SHEIN across the street from Salon Mall. And then I found these in Burlington. I also found these in a store in South Lake Mall. So yeah, I just got a few things. I also got a new phone charger. So yeah, I got another ebony ring. My fresh new ebony woods, y'all. I needed this. Hey y'all, I'm about to go to my wax appointment for my trip, for my cruise, and the sad part about it is the cruise may get canceled, y'all, because it's a storm. So at 5 o'clock, they're gonna email us and let us know whether we're still going on the cruise. But yeah, so hopefully we do, but if not, I mean, I'd rather them cancel it than I'd be out in the middle of the ocean when a hurricane hits. So yeah, that's completely fine. Whenever I'm meant to go, I'll go. But yeah, I still need to go get this wax, so I'm gonna bring y'all with me while I run a few errands for the trip. Had to come see my sis, Salon. Make sure y'all book her.
I got the camera.
Nice. Yes.
Don't play with her. It'd be attached.
Yeah, your suite looks so cute.
Thank
To get these wax. Right to you. After this, I'm about to go get some hair. So I'm actually getting ready for a cruise. I'm supposed to be
Really?
on Friday. Yes.
Okay.
But the only thing is, it's like this big storm going on in Florida right now.
And told me that.
Yeah, it may be getting canceled. They actually supposed to let us know 5 o'clock
Today.
tonight. Yep, so this evening. So
Where were you going?
to Bimini, Bahamas.
Okay. Yeah.
So hopefully, like I can still
Go.
I really need this vacation. Hey y'all, so I'm about to get me some hair. It's my trip.
My daughter came up here.
They got a whole lot of hair in here, y'all.
And I sent my cousin.
Whole lot.
Two of
Here I'm about to get y'all. They also got 8A, 10A. Yeah, I just got my bundle, and she gave me a free beauty blender because she seen me looking at this. Yes. Hey y'all, so I just got my hair molded down. My mom is gonna finish the rest in the morning. I got to show you guys my new phone case. So cute. Got it out of South Lake Mall. It was $25, and I just think it's so pretty. Have the iPhone 11. So cute though. Definitely wanted a fresh new case for the trip. And it looks so good. I'm chilling. I'm about to eat me some ice cream. Hey y'all, so it's the next morning. My mom just finished my hair and I love it. It's so cute. Thank you, Mom. If you're watching this, it's so pretty. Make sure y'all book her. I'm gonna leave her info right here. So it's Thursday, y'all. We leave tonight and we're gonna head to Orlando to the port to get on our cruise. We leave tomorrow afternoon. They pushed the date back because of the hurricane that's going on right now in Florida. They pushed the hour back. So we'll be leaving an hour later from the port because of the hurricane that hit. So it didn't hit as bad, so that's good. But yeah, y'all, my hair is so pretty. It's get ready. I have a client. And yeah, I had to go get my nails done. I don't know what color I'm gonna do, but yeah.
All the words I said were wrong. They don't mean nothing to you. All we want to do is touch, and there's nothing better. What the hell I'm fit for me? They were waiting for you, ways to waste and find the time. It's all by your side. You got it, took too long to get it. You got it, took too long to get it. You got it, took too long to get it. You got it, took too long to get it. All the words I had to say, they don't mean nothing to you. What the hell? matter what the hell it's for me. They were waiting for you, ways to waste and find the time. It's so by your side. You got it too long to get it. You got it too long to get it. You got it too long to get it. You got it.
Yeah, I came to Target, but they ain't got nothing in here. Giving Christmas in here, y'all. For sure. Here I go, y'all. Y'all, so I came here for this bag I seen on TikTok, but the girl, she had a nude one. And I definitely don't have a lot of stuff to go with this. So yeah, I just found this wallet. I think I'm gonna get this. It's right there. Cause my other one is looking kind of beat up. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and buy this. Also, I got my little wallet. I'm glad I found something. It's like I just cannot go in Target without getting something. It just don't feel right. But yeah, it's raining, so let me put my camera. Just sprinkling out here. So y'all, I'm currently getting these fits together for the trip. Y'all see my hair? Y'all, my mom did my hair so cute. Okay y'all, so I think I have all of the outfits. I know this is not everything I'm gonna bring. I'm gonna bring like some chill clothes. I'm gonna bring some other clothes, but these are like all of my looks that I want to basically take pictures in, and everything I got from SHEIN. So first I have this dress. So I'm gonna wear my Louis Vuitton hoops with this, and I think I'm gonna wear these sandals. These are brand new, that's why they're up here. But yeah, I got these, and I think I'm gonna wear this purse with that. Then other two-piece set, I'm gonna wear that purse with that also, and I'm gonna either wear these sandals or these heels. It'll really depend on how I'm feeling, which one I wear. So one outfit, two outfits. Then my swimsuit, my metallic swimsuit, which I'm gonna wear with my Prada purse. I'm gonna hold it as a handbag. I'm gonna wear these Steve Madden sandals. Then I have this three-piece swimsuit set. It comes with the cover-up bottoms. And most likely I'm gonna wear the Gucci flip-flops, but I'm also gonna bring my Tory Burch slides just in case. Then over here, I have my top that I got from SHEIN, and I'm gonna wear these hoops with it. It's a little tie up in the front top, and I'm gonna wear those gold heels with this, and I'm gonna try to find like some jeans to go with that, or either like some shorts. So I'm still trying to figure out some bottoms to go with that top. But yeah, this is the progress so far, y'all. Basically, this is really everything. I have to pack my makeup bag, my skincare bag, pajamas, clothes, road trip. pick out my road trip outfit, pick out my when we come back road trip outfit, and just like some little chill clothes to throw on. So yeah.
You thought I was feeling you? You thought I was feeling you? You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch.
Y'all, it's 4 a.m. About to go on a road trip to Orlando so we can get on our cruise.
Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like, you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like, bitch say mad, let's keep it a beam. Wouldn't be mad, I'd be on the scene. That's too fat, can't fit in a jean. Use my stitch, but it's not what it seems. I got that ready, I'm keeping it clean. Fucking with niggas that's toting a beam. Saying you love me, but what do you mean? Pretty ass fucking me like that on me. That bitch, how you shitting me? If you ain't a baddie, can't sit with me. I swear that these bitches my mini-me. He wanna sex, niggas be dreaming. I'm finna X, niggas be scheming. I'm on their neck, stays not breathing. I'm in a check, floating in. You thought I was